Hi everyone, today we are going to make berry serum. These are the ingredients required. First, distilled water. This contains sodium gluconate and panthenol. This has hyaluronic acid stock. Now this contains Olivem 300, whiten up and hydrolysed oat protein. Here we have glycerin and blueberry extract. Let's start making it. First thing first, we'll dissolve the extract in the glycerin. Now we will add sodium gluconate and panthenol in the water. Stir it gently so that the powders are dissolved. Okay, we can now add hydrolysed oat protein, Olivem 300 and whiten up. Whiten up is the bearberry extract, which is a skin lightening extract. Now we'll add the hyaluronic acid stock. In the last, we can add the extract that is dissolved in glycerin. Add it slowly, stir it, and then add remaining water. You can see it in purple color, but once we adjust the pH, it fades the color. We'll add a water-soluble preservative, here Euxyl K 712. Check the pH and add lactic acid accordingly. It can be anywhere between 4.5 to 5. Now we can bottle this. You can see that it has a good purple color. This can be a good brightening serum for everyday use.